For our experiment, a ball, starting at rest, accelerates by a gravitational force, goes around the circumference of the circle due to its centripetal force to exert an applied force on the next object. The next object, after the elastic collision, rolls down an inclined plane due to gravitational forces pulling the object further down the plane, then drops to the floor, with constant acceleration to the next step. The ball's velocity increases as it falls to the lever with fulcrum, thus creating the object on the opposite ends of the lever with fulcrum to have conserved velocity. The force applied on the lever causes the lever to apply work on the other object, sending it through the air to land next to the dominoes with the same velocity as it had when it began. The eraser lands on the dominoes, exerting an applied force, causing the dominoes to fall with a constant acceleration and velocity on each domino. The last domino exerts a force on the wheel and axle, represented by a toy car, causing the toy car to accelerate force from rest and apply work on the next object. The toy car applies work on the pulley. There, the toy car falls down due to the potential gravitational energy being pulled on the toy car. Then, once the toy car has fallen, a book, which is tied to it representing a pulley, falls due to the conservation of energy pulling it to conserve the energy. Once the book has fallen, due to the conservation of energy, its velocity has increased, and the books stacked on top of it accelerate down the inclined plane due to the gravitational force being exerted on them. Once that happens, a domino effect is created because the force exerted by the books here create a book standing up just out of the ordinary, creates a gravitational force and causes it to fall onto another, creating inelastic collisions until the last book falls off the table. The last book falls to the ground due to gravitational force, thus having the remote fall onto the chair, creating our simple task. Can you please pass me the remote, Tori?